Alright, what's going on YouTube? Today is September 24th and I'm green on the day. It feels really good to start off the day green on a high note. Just starting off the week, I think in the green just really sort of sets your mindset for the rest of the week. If I, had a red day, I would have been spending the rest of the week just trying to dig myself out of the hole. And I don't really, that's not really, being in the hole isn't really a good position to be when you're day trading. So, I'm just thankful that I, made a quick profit on today's day, and I'll just keep building on that throughout the week. But just traded one stock today, GBR. Just traded one time, made a quick $50 on the pop. Didn't really get a good entry, to be honest. I should have waited for the pullback, but got in a bit sloppy, held through the chop, and just sold for the quick pop. So stay tuned, guys. I'm gonna break it all down for you. All right, what's going on, everyone? So yeah, today is a green day. I'm up $51.90 after commissions. Just traded one ticket today, GBR. Honestly, I didn't really get a good entry, as you can see here. Just this thing, I seen this thing grinding up, and it was really poor judgment on my part. I just thought it was just gonna go through the roof, mainly because I've just been seeing that throughout the market a lot recently. So I just assumed it was gonna do the same thing. But that's not what happened. It actually ended up pulling back, which is usually what I usually wait for. I usually wait for this dip, right? And then that's when I usually enter. And I probably would have got a lot better position if I had done that. So I pretty much held through all this chop, and I was down like 160 bucks here, 130 bucks, and it wasn't until like 20 minutes later that I finally get out of the red, and I start seeing some profit after this squeeze. Um, and I just sold for the quick pop, making 10 cents. That's $65. So, that's pretty much it. I didn't really do anything crazy. Didn't really get a good entry. I'm not really proud of this trade, honestly. And, the real reason I'm really not that proud is because it kept running up, If I just held it for like twice as long, we're looking, it went to 440, I got in at 360. We're looking at like $400 of, potential gains that I just left on the table. So, you know, I mean, it just it's not bad. Green is good. Like I said, starting off the week green is always a good thing because it sort of sets your mindset in a very in a very positive way. If I was in the hole, I would have been constantly like trying to get out of it. I would have maybe had the mindset of like I need to get green by any means necessary. I'm gonna take heavy share size. I'm gonna take sloppy trades. And it's really just not a good way to trade. It's very emotional as opposed to looking at the actual setups. Um, so yeah, that's pretty much it, honestly. Up $50 on the day. Hopefully, I can make, I don't know, $250 by the end of this week. So $50 a day. That's not that hard, honestly. That's pretty realistic goal, honestly, at this point. Um, I do anticipate on growing this account to 100,000. I don't know how long it will take necessarily, but that's pretty much the whole purpose of this channel. I'm not a professional trader. I never took any courses to trade. All of my information I learned online for free, right? So the whole idea of this channel is to prove that you don't necessarily need to pay for an expensive trading course. You don't need all these fancy people telling you what to do or anything like that. You just need the knowledge. You need to be able to execute and apply the knowledge. And the knowledge is free. It's online. You can YouTube it, you can Google it, that's literally what I did. And now I'm just applying all the knowledge that I've gained about trading stocks, and I'm just doing that now. So that's pretty much what this channel is all about. It's to show that anyone can, if I can do this, anyone can do it. So this is what this channel is about, just going through the journey of a beginning trader trading his small account. So, if you like what I do, don't forget to like and subscribe, guys. And also, get down in the comment section. I'm all for, listening to any pointers that you guys may have. And if you guys have any questions about, my platform or, maybe the scanners I'm using, yeah, I'd be more than happy to share it with you. But all right, guys, that's pretty much it. I'll catch you guys tomorrow. Peace.